どういう死に方をするか聞きたいか？お前は
言わなくてもいい。自分の死に方には興味ない。俺は俺が殺したい奴を殺せれば、あとはどうなってもいい。さっさと目に入れ。
On a mission to get high up, I know that I reach for a lot that I don't really need it. Never listen to replies, learn to listen from the wise. You should never take advice from a nigga that ain't tried. They said I wouldn't make it out alive. They told me I would never see the rise. That's why I gotta kill 'em every time. Gotta watch 'em bleed too. It's over if I'm breathing. Racing to the moonlight and I'm speeding. I'm headed to the
一本だけ吸ってやる。一生で吸うタバコはこの一本だけだ。